Hello everyone, it's Katie, and today's video is going to be how to start a YouTube channel. I'm not saying I'm an expert or YouTube famous, I just hit 1,000 subscribers, but I do have a lot of experience with this. I've been doing YouTube since I was a sophomore in high school, and I'm currently a junior in college, so it's been a long time. So I just want to share my tips and just kind of like the basics on how to actually start a YouTube channel and things that you should know. First thing we're going to talk about is, why do you want to start this YouTube channel? Do you want to just do it for fame and money, or do you want to do it because you're passionate about it? You like filming and editing, you're very passionate about a certain topic like traveling and stuff like that. That is the main reason why you should be starting a YouTube channel. People can tell how genuine you are about what you're doing, so if they think you're just in it for the money, they will be able to tell. The second thing is, you need to think of your channel name and your niche. So my niche is kind of a couple things, so lifestyle, college, travel, and fashion. I kind of bounce off of those depending on what time of year it is. So if it's more towards August, towards school, I do more college videos. So it just kind of bounces around, and it's good to have a couple of niches so you have variety on your channel. Then you also need to think of a channel name. Mine is Infinite Beauty 7. I know a lot of people use their first name as middle names, just their first names, first and last. So you can kind of think of something, make sure it's easy to remember, kind of catchy. Like Infinite Beauty 7 is pretty, like, I don't know, it's just really grown on me, and I know a lot of people like refer to me as Infinite Beauty 7, like a lot of my friends do, which is, you know, a whole different story. But make sure it's just easy to remember, so people, when they're trying to look up your channel, they'll just remember it really easily. Now going into actually creating the physical channel, once you make your channel, you're going to need 3 things. A channel banner, a profile picture, and your about page. So we'll start with your about page, and this is just a small description of what your channel is about. So you could probably just say like, hey, my name is blank, welcome to my channel, this is my niche, or these are my niches. So just something very simple, and then attach where they can contact you, so like an Instagram maybe. A lot of people contact me like through Instagram, so having a couple of your social medias there is really useful. Now in terms of your profile picture, you don't need anything professional, but you do need a nice profile picture that shows your face, or if you're about gaming, like shows like a type of game, I don't know, something like that that shows that you actually have a YouTube channel. A lot of times if you comment on other people's videos, people can tell if you have a YouTube channel or not by your profile picture, because that's the only thing that they see. The next thing is a channel banner, and you can look at other YouTubers for inspiration, but please don't copy them because they probably worked really hard. But if you just kind of look at their channel banners, they have really good inspiration for what you should do. Sometimes they say like what they do on there, when they post their videos, or their name. The fourth thing is equipment, and you don't need to have a fancy camera. I film on the Canon EOS Rebel T6i. I've invested in this a lot of money and like work. I started with a little cute purple camera, and I absolutely loved it. It was a great start. I also still film on my iPhone sometimes if I'm too lazy to get my camera out. But if you are really getting serious about starting a YouTube channel, definitely invest in a camera, maybe not as big as the Canon Rebel, but something smaller. I don't really know the names of them, but I'll link down some of the good ones that other YouTubers use, but definitely invest if you think you need to. In terms of filming, I use my sister a lot. I'm always like, here, film me. And I also use a tripod, so I got this tripod from Best Buy. It was like $25. It's a great investment. It really works well. So I use that if I don't want to have anyone else film for me, and it lessens the shakiness of the video. Now we're going to move on to editing, and I use iMovie. I don't have Final Cut Pro. It's like $300, and I just don't feel like I need to invest in that right now. I've figured out some tricks to kind of get Final Cut Pro like type stuff into my videos, but I like my videos pretty simple. I like to have a few pop-ups, but other than that, it's pretty like straightforward, so iMovie is perfect for what I need. Now, your thumbnails is the first thing that people see when they're looking through the search engine, and you need to make sure that your thumbnail isn't blurry. You need to have a nice big bold title so it shows basically what your video is about, because when they're searching, there are tons of millions of videos probably on similar topics that you're doing, so you want to make sure that your thumbnail sticks out to them. Now we're going to get into the actual uploading part. So after everything is done, filming, editing, your thumbnail is done, you're going to want to upload your video, obviously. So you want a really good title. So your title should say exactly what your video is. So if it's a summer outfit of the week video, if you're showing your outfit every day, you write summer outfit of the week 2019. So always add the year because it makes your video more relevant and then more prone to like being seen. But definitely make sure your title is very descriptive of what you're trying to show. In terms of your description, you want to say, thank you for watching your video, link your social medias. If you use music, use your royalty-free music there, and just put everything together like that. And your description is important because it's kind of like the last thing that readers will read, or viewers will read, the last thing that they will see towards the end of the video, and you can also promote your other social medias that way. And finally, promoting on social media. You want to share your video with everyone, put it on Instagram, but don't comment on other people's like posts and stuff and say like, watch my video, because that's very annoying. But definitely cross-promoting your videos and your social medias are really helpful. So that is all my tips for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you later. Bye!